Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi my guys. Today my job is to check for this control panel. Actually is control panel. The purpose of this control is to control with bumps. Here we have 4 bumps and we have 2 lamp, green for run and yellow for trip, and then we have selector switch here. It's auto, off and manual. And this is for these 4 pumps. Here we have this 3 electrical heaters and 1 heat fan. Actually we should hold the nameplate, but I printed, but I still wait for the glue to fix it here. Now let us open this enclosure to see the component of this panel. Wow. You can see here you have an MCC components. Here we have contactors and overload here actually is for pumps. If there is any overload for pumps, that will make a trip to protect all components or objects. And here we have some controllers from Delta Control. These controllers take the readings from these contactors and from the selector switch here, and all the purpose of this controller is to control turn on and off this contactor from the coil of this contactor. As see here, we take these points. This is an output point from our controller, and also take the readings from these contactors. As we see here, we have a normally open, normally close. I don't know if it's clear for you. Yeah, normally open, normally close. They take these readings, and regarding to this reading, he switch on and off this contactor, which means switch on and off the button.